It's Kyle from McPhee Enterprise Incorporated. I just want to do a quick tutorial on the iRV technology sound system with the Furrion soundbar and this Insignia non-smart television that came from the factory in our 2020 Rockwood 2906 RS travel trailer, ultralight. Some people have, I read a lot about people can't get these things synced up. First thing you gotta understand is the television that they put in this is a non-smart television. It's not going to connect directly to the internet unless you make it connect to the internet, and I'm going to show you how to do that and how to sync up the system here on the soundbar. So we're going to be using one of these, or all three of these remotes. The one on the left is the remote for the sound system. The one in the middle is the Roku. That's how we're going to make the television a smart internet connected television. And then the one on the far right is the Insignia remote for the television itself. So what we've done here, we've got the television turned on. I do have my Roku stick plugged into this thing, so it is connected to the internet. I'm watching YouTube TV right now. And the sound system is on. I just have it muted so you can't hear the sound so I can make the video. I want to show you how we've connected these things in the back. That's key for this to work. Alright, so in the back of the television, the bottom, we'll start from the bottom. HDMI 3 is going to be our Xbox game system. HDMI 2 is the next port up. That is where our Roku stick is plugged into, and it has a second plug that goes up to a USB connector. That's what gets it connected to the internet. Okay. HDMI 1 ARC, that is this HDMI port right here. That is where the sound system HDMI cord has to be for this to work. Has ARC listed right after the HDMI indicator. Okay, so those are all plugged in. We'll go to the sound here first. We've got the sound bypassed on the television. We want it on the sound bar, and how you're going to do that is we'll take the mute off here. Okay, so you can hear sound is now coming out of here because we have it on TV audio 2, and we use the mode button here to get there. Okay, so there's our FM radio. Let's switch back to TV. Bluetooth link, TV audio, front audio, F audio, HDMI in, finally to TV audio 2. Sound is back on the sound bar. Okay, and you can control that sound with this dial here. Okay, or you can use the iRV technology remote, or you can download the iRV technology app on your phone and control all these things on this base unit here via your phone. Okay, but that's how you're going to want to get this thing set up, and that should do it for you. I highly recommend converting your TV here to a smart TV. You can, if you got an internet signal coming into your trailer through your Wi-Fi Ranger, you can get a Roku stick put in here, and your TV will then be connected to the internet. So I'm just going to mute the sound here real quick, just to review. Okay, just to review. Make sure you're on TV audio 2 to get your television to run the sound through the Furrion soundbar. Okay, so sometimes it's just reorganizing your HDMI plugs on the back of the Insignia television. Okay, again, bottom one, this is our Xbox. Second one from the bottom is HDMI 2 Roku internet stick, and the HDMI ARC port has to be your sound system down here. Now I usually keep all my cords zip tied together and run them down through the back. For the purpose of this video, I kind of had them out and exposed so I could change the plugs around. So that's how you do it. Hopefully you get your sound coming through your sound bar. Until next time, this is Kyle at McPhee Enterprise Incorporated. Thank you for watching our video. If you would, please like and share if you find it of any value.
And please subscribe to our channel here at McPhee Enterprise Incorporated and click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you again.